Hi everyone, I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about Introduction to Automata Theory under the topic Finite Automata. Before we going to learn the fundamental concepts like alphabet, symbol, string and languages. These concepts form the foundation of automata theory. We already learned in the previous sessions. So now going to this topic, before we know the problem where it occurs. Every day, all the systems like went-on machines, traffic signals and payment gateways and login systems need a sequence of inputs to make the decision correctly. So the machines should accept the valid payment sequences or reject the insufficient payments without human intervention. So the problem statement to define as the process inputs one by one, move between the different states, make decision automatically, accept valid sequences, reject invalid sequences. So there are more possible solution here: human monitoring, manual checking, database verification, and a finite automata model. Human monitoring is very expensive but it's not scalable one. Manual checking is also there but it's a slow process. Then database verification, higher resource usage. Finite automaton model is the solution. Fast, automatic, reliable and easy implementation. So is the prototype. We know that finite automata. Before that, an alphabet is the finite state of symbols, and then symbols means is a single statement of the alphabet, element of the alphabet. Strings means by joining symbols together to create a string. And then language, a language is simply a collection of strings. Before already we know that. Before going to this concept, and the mathematical model is used to recognize patterns and process strings. Okay, a finite automation is a mathematical model is used to recognize patterns and process strings. It consists of 5 tuples like a finite set of states called as Q, input alphabet sigma, transition function delta, start state Q0 and final states F. The role of finite automata. How does computer know whether the string belongs to the language? A finite automata reads the input one symbol at a time and involves it from one state to another based on the predefined transitions. End with finally decides whether it accepts or rejects the string. If the machine needs an accepting state, the string belongs to the language. Otherwise, it is rejected. So alphabet, symbol, strings, language, finite automata and accept or reject. It's the way of statement. So here DFA for strings ending with A. That means the language is A, B, then ABBA likewise. But we given the string as ABB, it is not entered with A, so it's rejected. BB means also it's rejected. So The sequence forms the foundation of automata theory. Once this concept is clear, understanding DFA and regular expressions become more easier. Then going to activity based learning, string acceptance activity. Divide the students into groups, provide the DFA diagram as shown in the figure, give a list of strings, student trace the state transitions, determine whether the string is accepted or rejected, compare the results among groups. It's an activity based learning. Then summarize, invalid input validation system among it's the we will learn how a deterministic finite automaton process a string step by step using state transitions. Okay, then states, input transition and final states, whether the input string is accepted or not. Thank you.